Alright, now we're going to run Python code in command prompt. If you see an error running Python, for example, this kind of an error, and that is not recognized as an internal or external command. If you see this error when I run this, which I don't because I have the environmental variable set up correctly, then let me show you how to fix that. Go to your directory where you have Python installed. For example, for me, it's right here. And with this, I can see that I have Python installed right here. And I need to give this environmental variable to my system. And to do that, just type in environmental, edit the system environmental variables, and you can set a new, in the path variable, make sure that the path variable has this setup right here. Right, I have this setup right here, and I also have this setup right here, the scripts folder. Make sure that that is also set up. And if it is not set up, make sure that you set it up by copy pasting that thing. I already have it, so I'm going to delete that. And that's basically all you need to know about setting the environmental variable. Just copy the path and save it as a new variable in the path variable. That's good. Now we're going to talk about running real Python. So if I just type in Python, I have the Python interpreter. This runs Python code line by line. So if I type in 2 plus 9, 2 plus 44, 46, I can print anything, and anything will be printed. And if I want to exit this, I just type in exit. It's pretty cool stuff, right? Now, what if I want to run thousands of lines of code? Well, this is absolutely not very feasible. So we need to run a file. Python file. Now Python files are in .py extension. So let's create a new file right here. We can even create a text file. Let's call it, well, my script. Now this is in .txt. We can change that right here by doing this. It'll say that if you change the extension name, it might become unstable, but don't worry about it. Now if we edit this, we can even edit this with simple notepad. Just edit with notepad, and you can just input the name of a person by doing this. And if you don't understand this, don't worry about it. I'll explain all of it, because this is just explaining you how to run this. What's your name? And then I can print the name. There you go. Pretty simple stuff. And if I now want to run this code right here, I just need to pass this as an argument. For example, if I type in Python myscript.py, this should run totally fine. What's your name? Ralph. Ralph, welcome. So that's how you run Python code. And we're going to talk about running and writing this code in Visual Studio Code in the next video. So stick along and make sure that you understand all of this stuff well.